guys, welcome back to another day with Jay. Today we are in my vehicle because I am going to try this challenge, and I'm going to try to get a full week's of meal from a fresh market for cheap. I'm going to try to get it like around $50 if at all possible. I'm thinking that if I'm strategic, I can get it done. So I'm at the Detweiler's Market, which is Eat Fresh for Less, and I did shop here before, and I got everything for around $50, which is half the price of what I would usually spend at a regular store when I'm getting fresh food. So I am back again here today, so I'm going to take you guys with me inside. But again, I am nervous again because it's Monday. I didn't think it would be so busy, but it is packaroo here. We'll talk at the end and see the receipt and see all that I got from here, and hopefully I can stay in the $50 range. So let's get it. I'm so hot, so I have to have the air on. Let me turn it down a little bit. I don't have to be so excessive, but it's 84 flipping degrees here, and I dropped my coffee. Trying to film and drive the car. I'm no good at this. But next I need to run to Walmart really quick. I just need to pick up some of my coffee and creamer, and Detweiler's doesn't carry that brand, so I'm just gonna run over there really quick, and then I will catch it in a little bit. Okay, so we are back at home, and I have my receipt here. We can go over it. There's a couple things that I got a little impulsive on, which put me over the goal that I was going for. So I'm gonna go through what I got. Like I mentioned earlier in the vlog, I went to Detweiler's Farmers Market, and it's Eat Fresh for Less, and their like fresh like avocados and corn on the cob and things like that are literally the cheapest that I've come across. Like last time that I shopped there, I spent around $50, which is half the price of what I would usually spend at like a Target or anything like that. I really like them. It was very busy today, so I really didn't get the greatest footage, so I just want to apologize about that. But the main thing is kind of what I got. I'm going to show you, tell you the prices of everything, and then I'll also tell you the things that I got a little impulsive on that put me over. I just wanted to see and try this challenge out to see if you could really eat healthier for a decent amount of money each week. And the key that I would have to honestly take away, what I learned from, is that I used to buy too much, which would then make me spend a lot more every week. So now I've really limited down, and I just get what I need for the meals for that week, or what I know I'm going to eat for that week, and then that's kind of what I will do. And it honestly has helped me stay in a price range that's more convenient on a week-to-week basis. It's a little inconvenient sometimes if you have to go grocery shopping on a week-to-week basis, but I do anyways. If you honestly like go in there with a plan and you know what you want to have for that week, then you could probably just stick to eating picking up what you're going to eat. So don't buy bulk, get what you need. I did have to test it out for a while actually, until I realized like my strawberries would go bad. I would usually always pick up 2 things of strawberries. Now I just pick up 1 because they would just turn moldy before like I could actually get through them. So I really think that you could get away with getting on a week-to-week basis fresh stuff for $50. That would be $200 a month if you stuck to it. So let's get into what I picked up from Detweiler's today. So bananas, always a staple. I always need bananas. I picked up avocados. 4 avocados this time instead of 3. I did pick up 3 last time, and I went through them, and then I had been without avocados for a couple days. So cannot go without having avocados in my home. Corn on the cob. I'm gonna have salmon and corn on the cob this week. Shocker, shocker. So I picked up 4 of those. I picked up 1 blueberry and 1 strawberry. Just got the bigger size, but I honestly could go down to half because I'm probably not gonna make my way through these blueberries. But I am gonna be making overnight oats this week, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So stay tuned for that video. I can use my blueberries for that because guess what I found? Guess what I found at Detweiler's, and I'm so pumped because I mentioned this in my last video that this is my all-time favorite granola, and Detweiler's had it. So you know I'm gonna go back. I did pick up my Cliff Energy granola. It's the white chocolate macadamia nut. This is my all-time favorite. The little like white chocolate little blocks in there. I just love these so much. I did pick this up, and this will be going in my overnight oats, and I will show you that this week. So be sure that you're subscribed with your post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. Yes, I'm gonna plug myself. A quick and easy snack as well to go with my overnight oats is this yogurt. I like this one though. It's a So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk yogurt alternative. It's in the flavor vanilla. Now I'm not too savvy with this particular brand. I like their ice cream, the So Delicious dairy-free ice cream in Snickerdoodle favorite, and the cashew something caramel cashew swirl, something like that. That's too good. I really like the ice cream brand, so I wanted to pick up the yogurt brand. You can throw fruit and granola in here for a quick snack. I also put these in my overnight oats, and this is like the perfect amount that I would put in my overnight oats. I'm gonna try this out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But I tried the vanilla because I feel like you can never really go wrong with vanilla, so I'll keep you posted in how I like that. Drop your favorite yogurts down below that you've tried. I'd love to hear any other requests or alternatives. So I picked up 4 of those. And then the things that I think put me over the edge, I'll calculate it and see where we're at, and I'll put it on the bottom of the screen so far. But couple things that I think put me over the edge of my budget. I picked up this Califia almond milk nog flavor because if you don't know, I absolutely love eggnog at this time of the year, and last night was the first time that I've had eggnog this season, and that is a shocker in myself because I first pinned it on the shelves at Target like October 31st. It's been on the shelves for a long time, and I've had self-control and I haven't bought it, but my mom picked some up the other day, and we tried our smoothie that we drink daily. We added a scoop of vanilla into this with ice, and it was actually very, very good. So it was the first taste of eggnog I've had this season, and now naturally I'm craving it. I also picked up another one of my dark chocolate waffles. Now let me just be real with you guys. This is a more recent obsession of mine. I really have been loving this for like a brunch or breakfast in the morning, but now I'm noticing that it's becoming an unhealthy obsession for me, and I've picked up these boxes. Like last week I think I went through 2. So I will be cutting these out of my diet. After the holidays, I'll be doing a cleanse at the first of the year, and so I'm going to continue to have these until then. Another thing that I picked up that I think went over my price range was this cauliflower margarita pizza. I've never had this, but I've been craving pizza, and so I'm thinking I'm going to have this tonight because I have a very busy day. So this will be easy, and I still have to get my workout in. So I have a lot to do, and this will be something easy tonight, and then tomorrow I'll pick up with cooking. Another thing that definitely put me over is this 100% pure organic maple syrup. Honey, this always is gonna be a nice little coin. So this is probably, I think this is $6, which I was actually surprised because sometimes these be going for $10, and they had a bigger one which was $18.99. What? So this definitely put me over, but unhealthy combo right here. Last thing, I picked up some granola bars. I wanted to try out a bunch of different flavors, so I bought them all separately, which was probably not the smartest idea because I think these went for like $2. But I picked up 5 different flavors of these kind bars. Rainbow, how cute. So I picked up Madagascar vanilla almond. I also picked up blueberry vanilla cashew, apple cinnamon and pecan, dark chocolate almond coconut, and maple glazed pecan and sea salt. So those are all flavors that I've never tried before. Anything else, if you guys have tried anything that you guys really, really love that you think that I would love or that you want me to try, just drop it down below, because I'm always open to trying new things. So if you have any suggestions, just drop them down below in the comments section. I would love to. But yeah, total I spent $76.48. But like I said, I will calculate how much my main things were and I'll put that on the screen. And it's probably around $50. I wonder if I'm right. We'll see. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful. This was actually pretty fun because it kept me on track at the store for the most part, and then I got a little carried away. But I am starving. I'm about to make my avocado and egg sandwich. I've been looking forward to that ever since I picked out my avocados. So I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe below. I would love to have you join, because if you haven't heard, it is Vlogmas. New upload every day coming your way until Christmas. So I would love to have you join. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, which would really help support your girl. It would help your girl out. And then don't forget to turn on your bell post notifications. That way you don't ever miss another day with Jay. Have a wonderful, wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow.